Oh yes, now I remember.
Do you know his name?
Yes, his name is Mr. Sharma.
How do you know that?
I spoke to him once when I was outside.
Do you know what he does?
I think he's a teacher.
Do you ever talk to him?
Not much, just sometimes.
Are you going to talk to him today?
Maybe, if I see him.
Are you walking to the library?
No, I'm taking the bus.
Do you have a bus pass?
Yes, I always carry it with me.
How long does the bus take to get there?
About 15 minutes.
Can you tell me when you reach?
Of course, I'll message you.